Here's why smart investors are still choosing real estate property in 2025. Real estate has three major advantages na hindi mo makukuha sa ibang investment. Number 1, capital growth. Habang tumatagal ang property, mas lalong tumataas ang value. Kung pre-selling mo pa nabili ang property, mas mataas ang potential gain. Number 2, kung pauupahan mo, pwede kang kumita buwan-buwan kahit hindi ka landlord. Number 3, long-term security. Unlike stocks and crypto na pwedeng mag-crash, property is a tangible asset. Nakikita at nahahawakan mo. Land and housing always retain value over time. Kaya naman, whether OFW ka na gusto lang ng passive income dito sa Pinas, or first-time buyer na gusto lang ng investment, real estate is still one of the most stable and predictable ways to grow your money in 2025. I am Jonna Rivera, your Ahente Raketera. If you want to know more about real estate tips, don't forget to click follow or subscribe for more details. See you on my next video!